Hi, I'm Chad Waldo, Regional Sales Manager for Techni Waterjet, and today we're going to be talking about something a little different inside of our Softec software. If the pump is the heart of any water jet, then Softec is our brains of the water jet. So we're going to start with something real simple, just a rectangular part. It's kind of got some nice rounded edges on it. It's 3/8 aluminum plate. We've already got this set up to cut all of these parts out. But we want to do something a little different. We want to add in a part number, which this part number is 450 TAC 123, and we're going to add that into this already established nest, into the already established pattern of cutting this out. We want to be able to number, put the part number on there. So to do that, we're just going to be in the part. We're going to go into text properties, and we're going to type in 450 TAC 123. Believe it or not, we can engrave easily. I'm going to set the height to 4. I don't know how big this is going to be. It's huge. So I probably should have checked that beforehand, but that's okay. We'll just put this down at like 1 inch tall. We will be there we go. We will be engraving this part number on every single one of them. There's no serialization of this, so it is just going to be the same part number over and over again. But the great thing is once I've placed it, hit escape, come in, I can just select all of it, right click, and change that from cutting to engraving. And now I'm going to engrave that part number on everything over here. I didn't even have to renest. I don't have to do anything. It's anything that's on the part from here going over to the table is what we call a parametric design. So any changes I make in the part is going to show up in the nest. And the engraving is already pre-programmed with a standard feed rate that's 10 times what your feed rate is for cutting. So it's just going to engrave at whatever that speed is going to cut that material's depth at. So you can control that a little bit, change it up in your library, speed it up, slow it down just a little bit if you want to. But the standard feature's there to be able to engrave those numbers, letters, characters, any font you can bring, a true type font that you can bring into a Windows PC, you can now use to engrave. And that is Softec engraving.